Extrusion is a continuous cooking process that is ideally suited for African conditions, where we can add value by secondary processing of locally produced agricultural products. One of the problems in Africa is that we do not do a lot of local beneficiation of our raw produce, and we often import those beneficiated products. Using extrusion, we can actually do that locally, and by doing it locally, we will assist in creating jobs, alleviate poverty, and also assist in issues like empowerment.
The value that ExtruAfrica can add in Africa is by creating jobs, starting up new businesses.
Extrusion can definitely play a big role in Africa's advancement, because we will have to become more globally competitive, and to do that we will have to add value to our own raw materials.
Extrusion can definitely provide opportunities in Africa and address some of the needs that we have there with respect to making nutritious food available for people, helping to set up small enterprises, producing animal feeds, using byproducts, adding value to it and putting it back into the whole food chain.
Well, this is our 7th time that we are doing this one, and every time we are improving.
Yeah, this year really quite a number of different companies who are really game changers and can really benefit from something like extrusion.
The ability to network with key players in the market is probably the biggest benefit for me. ExtruAfrica really gives us the ability to talk directly one-on-one with the right people.
I attend a lot of conferences. This is one of the unique aspect is that this conference is coupled with actually you see, you feel, you touch the product you make every day.
I think the biggest takeaway from this whole thing is to have access to Dr. Riaz because of his enormous volume of knowledge.
From the lectures given by Mian on extrusion, the raw materials, how to run extruders, quality parameters, the actual process and equipment setup, that's all been phenomenal and a huge value add.
For me, the real highlight has been the networking opportunities, because my company is not directly involved in extrusion, but everybody who uses extrusion needs packaging.
My highlights about ExtruAfrica is it is a very wonderful learning and sharing platform which has been made by the ExtruAfrica team.
Part of the initiative of ExtruAfrica is to promote engineered excellence and bring in new technologies that will be able to transform our agro-processing industry. ExtruAfrica provides an ideal platform for companies to meet other stakeholders in industry and to form new partnerships and new business ventures.
I think it's relatively new, 7 years old, but it's very valuable, particularly for locally.
Describe ExtruAfrica is it's a joining of industry, of innovative people, of technology, and it's a merging of ideas and new processes that can be used in one's business.
ExtruAfrica is currently the extrusion event in Africa. To learn more about extrusion.
Amazing, very customer focused, and a great opportunity to network.
I was told that there's more than 50 extruders are working in Africa from this conference. Therefore, you can see this is in 7 years very big growth, and people are learning about extrusion, then they are adopting this technology.